If the MoneyLion app says your card has expired even though your card is still valid, the problem is usually caused by outdated card information, an expired saved payment method, or a temporary verification issue between your bank and the app. By the end of this video, you'll know the most effective ways to fix the error and get your card working again. Start by checking the expiration date printed on your physical card. If the card has actually expired, you'll need to activate the replacement card issued by your bank before updating it in MoneyLion. If your card is still valid, remove it from the MoneyLion app and add it again. Open the app, go to your linked payment methods or banking section, delete the affected card, and enter the card details again. This refreshes the information stored on your account. Next, confirm that the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code were entered correctly. Even a small typo can trigger an expired card message instead of a more specific error. If your bank recently replaced your debit card because of expiration, fraud protection, or damage, the new card usually has a different expiration date or security code. Update the saved card details instead of continuing to use the old information. Now make sure you're using the latest version of the MoneyLion app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, install any available updates, and restart the app before trying again. If the error continues, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try adding the card one more time. A stable connection helps complete the verification process without interruption. You should also restart your phone. Temporary app and system glitches can interfere with payment verification after long periods without a reboot. If you've confirmed the card is active, but it still won't link, contact your bank. They can verify that the card is activated, available for online transactions, and not blocked by a security restriction. If your bank confirms everything is working correctly, contact MoneyLion support. They can check whether the problem is related to your account, the stored payment method, or a temporary issue affecting card verification. To recap, verify the card's expiration date, re-enter the card information, update the MoneyLion app, check your connection, restart your phone, and contact your bank or MoneyLion support if the problem continues. Your next step is to remove the saved card from MoneyLion and add it again using the exact information printed on your current card. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other MoneyLion troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.